Hello guys, we are getting off of Highway 50 and entering the town of California, Missouri to do, guess what? A car wash. I was not expecting this kind of not so great looking weather. It was actually pretty sunny back in Jefferson City. This is about a 20 minutes on the highway anywhere from where I live. Not quite as far as I thought. Alright. So we've just entered a street, the name of which I forgot to check. And I guess we get to see what California, Missouri is like. You can see they're mowing the grass over here. Now this car wash, if I did my research correctly, should, anyway, be right off of this street once we get into town. Cedar Valley. Oh yeah, here we are, city limits, California. If I'm mistaken, it shouldn't be too much farther, surprisingly. It doesn't exactly look like the kind of area where you'd expect to have a car wash. Looks like we're still out in the farm fields here. I have never been to California before. Well, the state or the city. Hey, we already got a little bit of a car wash. Somebody's watering the grass back there. Got my car. Look at this. Looks like we got a trailer park over here. It's a pretty good looking house and or business. You have to pardon, I'm not really paying too much attention while I'm filming. I'm paying a lot more attention to where I'm driving. Now you see that traffic light that's coming up there? I think it's somewhere right nearby there. A lot of political signs around here. Look at that old house. Oh, this is just perfect small town America. I love these little towns. Go to the California Motel while we're here. Oh, I think it's coming up here. Yep, this is it. Right here. California Car Wash. Let's see what kind of system we've got. It is a Vector. I haven't filmed one of these in quite a while. So we got the Express for $4, Deluxe for $5, Super for $6, Premium for $7. Not sure if this thing takes debit cards or not. Let's see if that's a debit card reader. Oh, please select a wash. Okay, authorizing. I think I took my card. We will see. It's still authorizing. It's still authorizing. I think they have dial-up out here. Purchased wash, premium. You may enter the car wash now. Oh boy. I think we got the blasters too going in, so let us see. This is a nice big bay. Look at the size of this. Looks like you could fit a small tunnel wash in here. Please pull forward, and more forward. We're still going forward. There we go. Go ahead and turn off the car. Now we'll sit here and watch the wash. Looks like we're getting our pre-soak now. So one of the steps where he uses both of the arms at the same time. Wow, a double coat on the front. This is kind of matching my my friend James's car wash already, the whole small town feel. It seems like you get a really good bang for your buck. That's a really good coating. So far, I am a fan of the California Car Wash. It's an empty pass. Well, it's dripping large mounds of soap on the car. I think that was actually an empty pass. That's kind of weird. Is this more pre-soak? I think I'm getting more of the pre-soak. They don't have a sign that tells you what it's putting on, so I'm not really sure what this is. Well, whatever it is, I'm getting another coating of it. No, it's hitting the back twice. And another empty pass. That's kind of bizarre. Whoever set this machine up, you know, an empty pass is kind of a no-no in the car wash industry. I mean, it doesn't affect me, but it just means that the wash cycle is slower, so you get fewer cars through. Okay, so we're getting the high-pressure rinse out of this side. That side's doing nothing. I'm assuming the reason these systems do this is because they don't have enough water pressure to run both sides at once. So now it should trade off. The other side will pick up where that arm left off. In theory. There's somebody waiting behind me. Not sure what we're getting now. I see a little bit of a greenish tint to it, so my bet would be this is Rain-X. See that greenish tint? Well, you can really see it now. If so, that's a very generous coating. Do not enter. We're getting another high pressure rinse. That's the empty side, and this is the side that's actually doing something. This kind of smells, I don't know, almost fruity. Oh, it kind of blasted me with a little bit of a Rain-X that was left in there before it started rinsing. One common theme I've noticed with these Vector machines, they do tend to have a pretty slow wash cycle. They do a good job, though. This might be our spot-free rinse coming on now. It certainly rather takes its time every time when it changes cycles to make sure everything gets washed out. Yeah, I bet this is our spot-free rinse. Now it should come around the front and give me a nice, thorough coating. Hopefully it's not leaking non-spot-free water all over my hood. Or was that spot-free rinse? I don't know, maybe this is my spot-free rinse. Maybe I'm getting two spot-free rinses. You never know when there's not a sign. Dryer started up. Please pull forward, even though the machine's still moving. That's a little awkward. I'll tell you, I didn't have high hope when I saw the kind of dryers they have, but so far this is actually looking like a pretty decent dryer. Normally don't have much luck with these. maybe I went a little too fast since I still have 20 seconds of dryer time left. Didn't get the front too well. I think that's my fault, though. Dryer's not my favorite, but it did a decent job. Wipe off whatever's left. The dryers is still running. It doesn't shut off when you leave. It's kind of odd. I'd be willing to bet whoever owns this Phillips 66 franchise probably owns that car wash, too. It's a drive-through window. That's weird. What do they... Oh, they have it's a Subway. They also have attached in here. I think this is California Drive. No, Buchanan Street. That's not going to work. Okay, I guess I'll take a left. Anyway, I'm not going to bore you with the drive out of town. Overall, that was a pretty impressive car wash. Seems very well maintained. Hope you enjoyed our little trip to California. That's it.